Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G73 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and I hope that you can see those grid lines and also the leveler, which is actually in the middle of the camera. I've applied them on purpose before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So after the whole operation, they will not be visible, at least I hope so. So in order to reset the settings, we have to enter the settings themselves. So let's tap on this icon in the right upper corner, and here we have to unroll those options in order to actually find this particular one. As you can see, it will be available in the About. So to be honest, it's not the first place I will check to find it. But okay, let's just tap on About, and here we've got the reset option. So let's tap on it, and here the voice will ask you if you really want to do it. So just confirm it with reset, and actually nothing happened, right? So we've got the settings again. So let's go back to the camera and check. And as you can see, any grid lines, any leveler is visible. So it simply means that we just successfully reset camera settings. So basically that's all. This is how to reset camera settings to their defaults in your Motorola Moto G73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.